Mata.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that button and ring that.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I hope everything is going on with you. If you are new here, my name is Aisha and you're welcome to my channel. Yeah, in today's video we are going to be arranging a couple of grocery and doing meal prep for the week or month, however the food lasts. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So let's get right into the video. Thank you so much for always watching my video. If you always watch my video to the end, you are an OG for real. Thank you so much, I appreciate you. Please continue watching my video, Ejo. Watch my videos. I'm trying to hit 4K watch hours. That's 4,000 watch hours before September ending. So please do me a favor, run my playlist, tell your friends to watch my videos and all of that. Thank you. So I'm going to be listening to this podcast while I arrange the grocery and all of that. This is Dear Parenting Podcast. We're talking about kids, training of children, like how their experience, because they're like new parents, all their experience. They bring their friends on the show to talk about their experience with their kids, parenting, all of that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be listening to.
Fun quote by no one. I think we're done anyway. This was so fun quote by no one. I think we're done anyway. 'Cause if you wanted me, talk to me. Don't be hiding behind your screen. I got too much stuff to do for you to be so rude. Said you like real conversation.
With somebody else that's not my reality, right? Where, you know, even
another lazy afternoon. The clouds got further coffee of the day.
my mind just helped.
Almost in sleep and soon I yawn at the display. The meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, isn't it the rain? Hey. Na, 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 na. Oh, oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, na, na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, dancing in the rain. chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say.
I am done rinsing the chicken, the goat meat, and the fish also. It's time to season it now. I'm going to be using this onion. I grated it, and this is garlic, blended garlic and blended ginger. Yeah, this is blended ginger. I blended them some times ago and left inside the freezer. Then I'll be using this seasoning powder and salt. That's all. Then rodo. I'll be cutting this rodo inside the meat and the goat meat and the chicken. I'm adding the onion now. That way I'm not going to taste this your Maggi and you. So now that I am done with the seasoning and everything, I'm going to put them on the fire now. Then I'll go and observe my salad. And afterwards, Mbarak is going to blend pepper. Then we'll cook. I cannot believe that I forgot to add curry and thyme. It's not too late. I'm going to add it right now. Oh my god. Imagine. I'm marinating this one like I said before, so that's why. The best in cooking.
You need to put more pepper.
Should I add more pepper?
I actually don't have.
The chicken is ready, the goat meat is ready, the fish should have marinated well, and I'm going to fry right now. I'm using deep frying method. I'm using this pot to fry. I already poured oil in it, so it should be hot by now. Then I'll start frying. Mata. Yeah, I don't like frying fish, right? So I left it from back to fry. I want to take a break now, cause I'm tired. So Mark's taking over now. Is blending pepper and It's blending pepper now, and it's going to make food. It's going to boil rice and vegetables and carrots and peas and carrots. Then we'll make the fish sauce. So see you when it's time to eat. Best in cooking. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at the amount of water I had in now.
Oh, I'm gonna rest. Enjoy your cooking session. Time to go and rest now. Enjoy your cooking session.
That's the thing, you always come to me.
How is it going?
Good.
What is happening? Where are you going? Tommy!
Well done.
It's not my beer now.
Is your meal baby fish sauce? Huh? How is it going? Tastes good.
I think I should add the meat. I'm gonna start putting the fish now.
Freshman in the kitchen.
So I bought fish, I bought egg.
Okay. Yes, I checked.
I forgot to start it from the beginning.
Well done.
This one. This
Food is ready now. We're eating rice and peas with carrots, then plantain and fish sauce with egg, boiled egg. Time to eat, and I'll be ending this video here. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. If you did watch to the end, you're an OG. See you in my next video. Kilo Jeon, kilo rest, kilo relax. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.